In this video, I will be showing you how to remove objects in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin at Canva home screen and browse through the various template categories. I'm going to select Facebook post and look for a design that has a few distinct elements. I'll scroll down through these templates until I find one that works for this demonstration. This simple desktop mockup looks great, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the design has loaded, I'll click directly on the image to select it. Next, I'll go to the top toolbar and click Edit Image. On the left panel, I'll select the Magic Eraser tool from the Magic Studio. To make things easier, I'll switch from the brush to the click tool. I'll click on the alarm clock on the desk to highlight it, and then I'll hit Erase. I'll give it a few seconds to process the change. Now that the clock is gone, I'll do the same for the purple plant on the right. I'll click the plant to select it, and then click Erase again. It takes a moment for the tool to work its magic, but once it finishes, the object is completely removed from the scene. Finally, I'll click the X to exit the Magic Eraser and return to my updated design.